This is Dr. Padma, Professor, Department of ECE from Gokraj Rangaraju Engineering College, Hyderabad. Would like to discuss on the principles of satellite communications on the topic Indian satellites. Let us see what are the satellites that are being developed in India. So this was the first Indian satellite which is designed by our Indian. It is Aryabhatta, which was being launched on 19th April 1975. Then the next satellite was the Bhaskar, which was launched on 7th June 1979. It was the first experimental remote sensing satellite which was used for TV and microwave cameras are um, present in this Bhaskar satellite. Next, this was the Rohini series, which was launched from 79 to 1981 by our satellite launch vehicle 3. So these are the Rohini series satellites are being launched from our India. So this was the first launch vehicle by the Rohini series. So these are the Intel INSAT 1A, 1B, 1C, 3A, 3C and 3DR. So these are the satellites which are used for multipurpose communication and meteorology satellite applications. So this is a satellite which is uh, launched in 1987 March 24th, that is Structured Rohini satellite series. So this is IRS, that is Earth Observation Satellite, which is launched in 1988 17th March. It has carried a linear imaging self-scanning system. This was the Earth Observation Satellite. Next was the TES, that is a Technology Experiment Satellite, which was launched in 2001 on 22nd October. This was the experimental satellite to test a new reaction control system with high torque reaction wheels, attitude and orbit control system. All these are the added compared to the previous types. This is the satellite which is being launched in 2002, which is named after Kalpana Chawla. It is Kalpana 1. It is called as a METSAT, which is used for meteorological applications, which was built by ISRO. That is Indian Satellite Research Organization. ISRO has been developed. This is EduSat, which is launched in 22nd October in 2004. This was the first satellite exclusively used for educational purposes. So this is a HAMSAT, which is launched in 2005, May 5th, which is a microsatellite which is used for a radio services, that is ham radio, for national as well as international community. So this is Cartosat, which is been launched in 2005 December 22nd. This was the first Indian satellite to provide a stereographic in orbit images with 2.5 meter resolution. This was the Earth observation satellite. This was the first India's first lunar probe, which is launched in 2008 October 27th, which is Chandrayaan which is a mission to perform a geographical study on Moon. This is the StudSat, which is launched in 2010 12 July, which is weighing less than 1 kg, which was the first Indian PICO satellite, which is for the study purposes. This was the Youth Sat, which is the first Indo-Russian stellar and atmospheric satellite. This was a Megatropics, which was launched in 2011. It is on 12th October with a joint venture by India and France. Collaborative effort to research on water cycle in the atmosphere. These are the two satellites which has been developed by, one is developed by Jugnu from IIT Kanpur on 12th October 2011 and another one is on 26th April 2012 by SRM University. So SRM SAT is the satellite. So this is a SARL, which is launched on 2013 20th February, which was with a joint between the India and French satellite mission for oceanographic climate and environmental studies, which is a oceanographic satellite. This IRNSS, which is the Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System, which is launched in 2013 7th July to give accurate position information, that is our GPS. So this is Mars Orbiter MOM, which is launched on 2003 5th November. It was the first interplanetary mission, which was India's first Mars orbit. This is an AstroSat, which is launched in 2015 on 28th September, which helps in astrophysical studies. It is India's first dedicated multi-wavelength space observatory. So like this, the India has manufactured continuously many satellites. You can see that INC, GSAT, for hydrospectral imaging purposes, SYS, and Microsat for Earth imaging purposes and defense purposes. And Kalamsat 2 was the world's lightest satellite in 2019. And like this, the satellites has been launched by our India in 2019 Chandrayaan 2 and Cartosat 3 and GSAT 30. So we look at the history of the India for the span from 1945 till now, that is around 44 years. Over 100 satellites has been launched from our India, developed as well as few are launched from our India. So there are two space stations. One is Satish Dhawan Space Center from Sriharikota and from Nellore district, and from Bangalore. These satellites are being developed and manufactured and is being deployed. All the deployment is being done by Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota. So over these 44 years, more than 100 satellites were being developed from our India. So this is one of the highlights of our Indian satellite launching, that is PSLV C-37, which has successfully launched 104 satellites in a single flight. So this was the very much successful event from our India. So this satellite, which was carrying 104 satellites in a single flight, which weigh around 714 kgs, with which was being launched in February 15, 2017 from Satish Dhawan Space Center. It is also called as a SHAR from Sriharikota. This satellite has deployed at a time 104 satellites, which was carrying 101 co-passengers were the international customer satellites, and from USA 96 satellites, one from Netherlands, one from Switzerland, one from Israel, and one from Kazakhstan, and one from UAE. So the total number of customer satellites from abroad launched by India is around 180 satellites were launched till now by our India. Thank you.